Today we are working on the BRZ. We're gonna do some body work today. This is episode 1 out of I don't know on
day 4.
Day 912. I'm working on the BRZ. No, so today is the first episode in our however many part series on getting this car to where we need it to be to get wrapped. I'm not talking on a video or anything.
Oh, yep.
Awesome. No, but we'll put some updates and stuff as we go on. We're gonna do some body work. Take care of this, Johnny. I don't know if you can see that. And then got another one down here. Some dents and scratches and stuff. We're gonna get it all sorted today. It's gonna look kind of crappy, but it'll come out a lot nicer when it's done. So we're not too far in. I got the this side's body panel off. Let's just say these cuts are, Andrew, would you say interesting? Oh my god. So just a disclaimer, I did not cut these for my wide body. I got this off a guy who got this off a guy who wide bodied it. And there's just like miscellaneous bolts, so that's yummy, I guess. That's awesome. Yo, my fitment whack, bro. Look. Oh my god. Monster truck. Monster truck, bro. Oh my.
Oh, why did I touch that?
What was that? Did you stick your hand in bird shit?
Yeah, and then wiped it on your car.
Andrew.
Towel.
Is this what they teach you at UTI?
I was like, this pains you, doesn't it?
You know, honestly, it's kind of satisfying. Because it doesn't sound terrible.
What, doesn't sound terrible?
Like, it's honestly... Oh, no. That's the scary one. Am I at the dentist right now?
Actually, I might need that.
It sounds like I'm at the fucking dentist. Bobby, why did you just put your hand in bird poop just like Andrew? You literally did the same thing Andrew just did. You big bird poop guy, eh? Big bird poop guy, eh? Ah, he's got a knife. BRZ no taillight. We were just a couple minutes into Bondo and chill, and then the rain started pouring. So we have what we can covering the Bondo spots for right now because we didn't get the primer or sand. Fuck. Alright guys, so here's a little update. The gas door thing is primed. This one is still drying and being a little weird. Hood primered. Above the door primered. This needs, you know, some ugga-dugga. Andy K is working diligently on the tail. And drop. Hey guys, sorry about that. So the video I cut a little short. My camera died because of all the raining and we were waiting too long to be able to do stuff. But to give you a general summary of what's going on, we got most of the Bondo done, so that's what's up. I think we just got to weld up a couple more holes in the trunk just to get that all smoothed out. And then I believe that there's 2 more spots we got to get with Bondo, and then we're good to go. Next episode should have that, and then it should be off to go get wrapped. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. I know that this was a shorter video, but we'll get the next one done right. If you like, give us a fucking follow, like that video. That's what's going on here. You know, we're making some car videos, bringing you that fucking content. Yeah.